In this video, I show you how to create this neon effect with HTML and CSS. To get started, we create a div with the class of container, and inside of this container, we create a paragraph that has a text that says, for example, I am neon. And now we save our text and we go inside of CSS to style our text. So let's target our paragraph. Let's give our paragraph a color that can, for example, be green for now. Doesn't really matter too much. Let's say the font size is 20 pixels and the font family is monospace. Now we're going to save, and now we want our text to be centered in the middle of the screen. So we can target our container class and we can say that we want to have margin of auto. And now our text is in the center of the screen. So next we want to use a different green color. So we'll just pick this one, for example, or we can take yellow, for example. So we'll take this yellow and we're going to save the document. So now we have this yellow text. Now in order to create a neon effect, we need to use the text shadow property, and now we can use an X offset of 0, a Y offset of 0. Now we want to use a blur of 5 pixels, for example, and we are going to copy this RGB value and use this one for the color of our text shadow. Now we have a subtle neon effect. So we can increase this effect by just creating some more shadows. So we create another shadow saying 0x, 0y offset. Now we have 10 pixels for the blur, and we are going to take RGB of yellow once again. We're going to paste it in here like so, and we're going to save. And now we have the second neon effect. Let's just copy this effect, use a comma and paste it in 2 more times. We're going to save, and now let's use 20 pixels for the blur, for example, or let's say 15, and let's use 20 for the last text shadow. And now we have this neon effect, and this is how you can create a neon effect inside of CSS and HTML.